Okay, the next one of our anions that we might need to identify is carbonates. Like hydroxides, they are a base, so they should turn litmus paper blue. So I'm going to put some sodium carbonate in here and put some red litmus into there because it's not blue to start with. And it goes blue. So I know that it's a hydroxide or a carbonate because there are two alkaline or basic anions that we might need to identify. Just like in hydroxides, we add some hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. And when we do that, I'm hoping the video catches this, there should be some bubbles forming. It's pretty hard to see, but there were bubbles forming just at the bottom. That's a hard one to see, but, and I'll go a bit close to the video, you can actually see the bubbles on the glass of the test tube. Right, that is a hard one to do, but if you see the bubbles, then it means that you've got a carbonate.
What did you add to make the bubbles?
So that was hydrochloric acid. So any acid, though, it can be sulfuric. For this one, this would have been our hydroxide reaction, but now we know it's carbonate, so we change that to CO3 2 minus. We don't need the other ion, it's called a spectator. And when you're doing these experiments, you can't assume you've got your cation or positive ion correct. So when these come together, they still make water, but they also, the bubbles are CO2. To balance that, I just need two H pluses. And this would be the equation that you'd need to write if you found that your anion was a cation.